Hi there, and welcome to Dev with Serdar. Now, if you've been following me on InfoWorld and on this video channel, you probably know by now that I've been covering things like programming in Python, working with the Go language, or getting up to speed with all that's happening in Rust. But there's a lot more that we're going to be talking about, not just languages, but all the things developers have to wrestle with and worry about. For instance, we'll try to make sense of the wealth of new tools for developers, like AI-powered code generation tools or low-code, no-code systems. We'll examine choosing the tools that help you get the job done, not just IDEs and editors, but also notebooks and desktops, keyboards and displays, and typefaces and editor themes. We'll look at making the most of the services and platforms that developers work with, everything from GitHub to AWS, and whether or not the features they roll out really do make the job easier or just get in the way. And we'll peek at the new wave of programming languages like Nim and Rust, and emerging variations of existing languages like Carbon and Crystal. And we'll try to figure out if these are really the wave of the future or if they're just flashes in the pan. And so much more. So stick around and be sure to follow me here on the InfoWorld YouTube channel for more Dev with Serdar.